Why is now the perfect time to start? So many times I help people with my coaching, whether it's be online business coaching or budgeting coaching, and they are just at a crossroads. And as their life has evolved, so do their priorities. And a lot of them are like, you know what? I am seeking retirement and I am looking to, be an empty nester in the next few years. Or I, have kids that are a little bit older. Maybe they're in elementary school or high school and I have some more time on my hands. And I want to use the skills that I have. I want to be able to have a purpose. I want to be able to help people with my knowledge, with my skills. And it's just so amazing that with having an online business, with having a side hustle, it's so often the people that I help do this of helping people with something that they're passionate about, helping people, overcome anxiety, overcome, getting their toddler to eat or getting their toddler to sleep through the night or helping them, develop a passion. And it's so cool just to be able to help people use the skills that they already have and helping other people. And I have a lot of clients as well that are like, Kelly, like I have knowledge and I don't want to feel like I'm just wasting it. I had this whole career and maybe I'm working my way into retirement and I have all this knowledge and I just still want to feel useful. I still want to use my brain. What are ways that I can do that? Oh, I know that I still have skills. I know that I still have a purpose. And also, maybe on the flip side, that time is an issue. Maybe they have very limited time and maybe they only have weekends to work or nights to work or whatever it is, that they want that flexibility. They want the flexibility in time. They want the flexibility in location. For instance, my project manager travels a lot. She has a daughter that's in New York. She has a mom that's in Pennsylvania. She has another side hustle that she does that she has to travel throughout the country. And she's able to still work for me totally remote. She does work for me sometimes in person. We'll get together, but then other times we just do it via Zoom calls or update via text messages or emails. But she's able to do her full job remote and on her own schedule, which is just so amazing. She is a night owl. Her brain works best at like 10, 11 o'clock at night, and my brain works best at 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. So our brains are opposite, but that's totally fine. And she's able to do things on her schedule, and that's amazing. So that's what I love helping people do as a virtual assistant, as a project manager, or as a blogger. You're able to come in and help people and do it on your schedule, on your schedule, in your location base, wherever you want to be.